Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading desk, where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade, and how did they resolve. Today in the market we had great momentum, great movement, and I'm sitting here up $120 on the day. Like I said, I was holding my winners. Today was a good day. Did not get filled here at the end, which I'm a little bit salty. I could have made a little bit more money, but I'm not really that much. I'll tell you what happened, and uh, let's get into it. So when I sat down today, there was a lot of stocks that were already up a lot of percent. I mean 100, 200, 600, as you can see, and they already had some news previously. So previously they had news, but they weren't really worth trading at the moment. So my first trade of today was on CAMP. So CAMP, 1 a.m. hits, 1 p.m. hits, it has news, and the float was great, everything was good. It pops up, the news was about a private placement, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, oversubscribed private placement. So it goes up, I buy right here at 623, and that was a little bit of a mistake because I should have waited for the pullback, right? Doesn't matter. Buy, I immediately sell, so with a little bit of a loss of 623, as you can see here. So 10 cent loss, it was okay. And then it pulls back. I get in here at the low of 432. I get a really low here, basically. I bought it. It curls back up. I take a little bit of profit at 475. It goes up. I sell at 586. Now, I should have held a little bit more, but as you can see, it reversed immediately, so I'm okay with that. That alone there made me $85 on the day. That was the start of the day. It was great. I would have said I left some money on the table. I could have waited for this candle to finish, but it kind of had this big reverse candle, and the volume selling was pretty high. I was a little bit skeptical, but still, great trade. I'm not too bothered by it. Then nothing for an hour, and two RA beat pops up. It doesn't really pop up. It had great news, but nobody really traded it. Like, I do not know why, but I got filled somehow at 293, and I made $6 on this, but it really wasn't that big of a trade. It was more of a, I was waiting for it to pop up because like it had great news, low float, great stock, and it like something with energy, with Uber, electric feet in Spain. It was great, but all of this that you're seeing is like what, 9K volume, right? So I get filled because I had this order waiting right here, and then I got filled on it, as you can see here. I got filled, and when this dropped all the way down, I got filled on it, and right here when it dropped all this down, I got filled at 293. Which didn't want to get filled, but it is what it is. But it pops up immediately. I sell at 302 with $6 of profit. It was literally more of a break-even trade, I would say. Like a buy and sell immediately. It was more of a fake, of a not good fill. And then at 312, WLSD has, at 3, it has news. It starts curling right here, right? It starts curling. At 3, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback. I didn't catch this because I wasn't really looking at my charts at the moment, but then I saw it and I bought right there for the last pullback at 814 with 30 shares. Goes up. I tried to fill right here immediately at 1050. I didn't get filled. Starts going down. I get filled at 914. Like that was so frustrating, but still, I'm not gonna go out here and blame about a whole dollar of profit. But still, I wanted to get filled right there. I couldn't. Like, I literally put out the order at like 10:35, didn't get filled. Those were the trades for today. So great momentum, keeping it. What I would say, one thing was CAMP, I kind of shot out very fast, and I should just wait for the first pullback. And again, hold my winners. I did hold today a little bit better, but still I would say hold my winners just a little bit longer and wait for the candles to form before selling, I guess. The MACD was open. Yeah, here was it was bad. Like this could have been very worse, and I would have like lost a lot of money, but it's fine, right? Because I got in at 623, and this thing you guys don't know, it goes all the way down. It's like minus $130, and I'm like, what? But it rallies back up. I'm like, okay, do not lose focus. It rallies back up. I put it at basically break even. It fills me. I'm like, good. Oh my god, great. Got out of this trade because this went all the way up, went all the way down, and then all the way back up again. It was crazy. Now, as markets open, there really isn't that much to trade. WL is like popped up and then sold off. COUPR, can't even say the name, is halted, but it's trading below VWAP, and like it has a long way to go to 588. I would definitely not trade this. GLE, same stuff. It pops up, kind of sells off, and now is halted down. And what? See, yeah, this is popping up, but look. The thing is, everybody was just selling off. Like, I don't know if I would even take a stab at this. Yeah, I mean a lot of momentum. Look how many stocks are on this candle. A lot of momentum. Great. Tomorrow, I'm expecting a bit of a dip down in momentum. So because it's getting Thursday, Friday, and still it's the first week of September where there's momentum. I'm not expecting like full blown trades tomorrow, but we'll see. No, there's like Thursday is still a good day. I would say that it's basically Wednesday with a little bit less opportunities, but that's still good. And what else? I would say that Friday I usually don't expect anything to be there, just because like Friday is notoriously mentioned to be like the day where you lose all your profits that you made that week, and I just don't want to be in that boat, to be honest. So I would say that that's like Friday's the day like I'm a little bit chill. Like I just, if there's a trade, 1-2 trades max, I'm done. Not forcing anything. Great momentum, great trades today. Lessons still, like, just hold your winners a bit longer, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.